Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear Instagram DM history to remove old conversations and free up space, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your smartphone and tap on the messenger icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your direct messages. Step 2. Browse through your message list to find the conversation you want to delete. You can scroll through or use the search function to find specific chats. Step 3. Swipe left on the conversation on iOS devices, or long press the conversation on Android devices to reveal additional options. Step 4. Tap delete or the trash icon that appears. You may see two options: delete, which removes the chat from your inbox but keeps it for the other person, or unsend, which removes specific messages. Step 5. If you want to delete the entire conversation, confirm by tapping delete in the pop-up dialog. This action will remove the chat from your message list. Step 6. To unsend individual messages within a conversation, open the chat, long press on the specific message you want to remove, and select Unsend. This removes the message for both you and the recipient. Step 7. For conversations you want to keep but not see, swipe left and select Mute instead of Delete. This hides notifications without removing the chat history. Step 8. Remember that deleting a conversation from your side doesn't delete it from the other person's inbox unless you unsend individual messages. The recipient will still have access to the conversation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.